Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome to Bahrain. I know so many of you guys, when you found out that I was moving to Bahrain, you were super excited for me to start making videos from here, like about Bahrain, my thoughts on it, what it's like, vlogs, etc. You were just like super hyped for some Bahrain videos. And so here is the first one, and it's going to be a quick tour of our new apartment. I am so excited to make this video because, quite frankly, I am so excited to be living in this apartment. Like, I wake up every morning and I'm just like overcome with joy to be here because it's a really nice place. I feel like it was a steal, like we got a really good deal on it. And if any of you guys saw my Kuwait apartment tour from where I was living last year, then you know there are better real estate options in the world, let's just say, than where I was living last year, and I have really moved up in the world this year. So it's nice to live somewhere that's like super clean, nice, the windows don't let sand in, there aren't cockroaches and such. So I'm moving on up. So I'm really excited to show you guys around. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so first when you come into the front door, you come into our kind of like main area, which is the sitting room and then dining room type space, and it is so big. When I think about how much bigger this living area is than my living area in Kuwait, and there are only 2 of us here. Last year there were 3 of us living in that dinky little apartment, and this time we have so much space. We can dance here, it's huge. I mean, I don't know that we will dance here, but if you wanted to, you could. You could do pretty much anything, this space. So we have some comfy sofas this time, it's nice. We have a balcony out here, which we've never gone out onto yet because it is so hot, but we've got quite a nice view of Bahrain. And then here's the router for our Wi-Fi, which needs to be moved every 20 minutes or so because the Wi-Fi is questionable. And then here's our like dining room area, and then through here is the kitchen. Sorry about the weird lighting. It's not the ideal time of day to be filming because the sun is super intense, so I apologize for that. But take a look around. So the cool thing about this kitchen is it's not fluorescent red like the last one that we had, and also it feels a little bit bigger to me. I think that's just because it's wider and we have so much storage space. Everything fits, there's room for everything, which is so nice. And then we have our handy dandy water cooler so that we don't get poisoned from drinking the water. Really not trying to get poisoned, like I'm not about that life. Okay, so as we go through here, you can see the laundry room. Okay, it might be ridiculous to be as excited about a laundry room as I am, but like every time I walk past it, I'm like, I have a laundry room. Because I've never had a laundry room before. I've always just had a washing machine in the kitchen. So the fact that we have a whole room just for laundry, like, that's a little bit extra, right? We have all the stuff that we basically just, you know, keep out of the way is up in here. My many suitcases. I did not travel light to get here, just gonna say. So then as we move down the corridor, Abida's room is here, Abida's bathroom is here, and here, dun, 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 is my room. So this is my bedroom in all its glory. I don't have hideous curtains, which is nice. In fact, the whole apartment is nice and neutral. This is a big TV. I was gonna say it's bigger than the TV I had at home, but I didn't even have a TV at home. So I'm really moving on up in the world. And then again, I have like ample storage. This is where I like to do my makeup. So what I'm thinking, because we did just move in a few days ago, is I wanna get like a little chair that will pop up and then fold away that I could maybe tuck. I don't know if it would fit here, but that I could fit somewhere, and then I could just pull it out to do my makeup and then put it back away because I'm too lazy to stand to do my makeup, and that's what I've been dealing with for the last few days. And then here is my bed. It is enormous and it's really comfortable as well. So at home, I always had a single bed, and even last year I had like a 3/4 bed. It was somewhere between a single and a double. This is huge. Like, I got double sheets to put on it, wouldn't fit. I don't know what they call this. It's like enough, like 5 people could sleep in here. I'm not planning on having 5 people in here, just won't put that out there. But like, you could if you were so inclined. I am not, but if you were so inclined, then you could do that. And then through here I have my wardrobe. I know I keep talking about the storage space, but it's a big deal for me, okay? And then this is my bathroom. Hey. So again, it's just nice, like everything's nice. I'm talking like someone who's never lived in a home before, but it is so much nicer than where I used to live that I just can't get over it. I mean, look how big my shower is. It's giant. And it's one of those fancy showers. It's got like the little waterfall thing, but also you can use this little thing if you want. And then there are a bunch of buttons on there that I have not used and probably never will, but it's a really good shower. I don't think I've ever enjoyed taking a shower as much as I enjoy taking a shower here, because the water pressure is just right, you know. It's a really nice experience. And then, ideal for someone as obsessive about their eyeliner as I am, I have a magnifying mirror right here, and then here I have a big mirror, which just you wait and see. Oh. Ah! It's even more storage. Like, it's a dream come true. So everything can be concealed. No one has to see any of my mess. I don't have like 5,000 bottles littering my sink, which is nice. And yeah, there's just space for everything. I love it. As you can probably tell, I am just so excited to live here. I just love it. It was one of those things, we walked in and it was the second apartment we had seen, and I walked in and I was like, okay, this is where I live. Like, this is my home. And then we went to see a different apartment straight afterwards, which was bigger, and it had a couple of extra things like housekeeping, and I was like, no, I don't care. I don't care. This is not my home. The first place was my home, and now it is my home. The cool thing about this apartment building as well is we have loads of facilities, like facilities that I will never even use. Like, we've got a gym, a jacuzzi room, a steam room, an outside pool, which is really nice. There's a basketball court, a football court, a billiards room. I don't even know what that is. There's like a table tennis room, there's a pool table room, there's a cinema room. Like, there's everything just in our apartment building, and it's so nice. The reception staff are really nice. Everywhere around the building is just clean and nice, and I'm so happy. I know there are probably loads of you guys who are out there watching this and being like, well, it's okay, but it's not that nice. But for me, like, I don't know, I love it here. I do. I don't know if I've said that enough, but I just do. So I know that it was a very quick tour. It's obviously not a huge apartment, but I just wanted to show you guys because I know a lot of you were interested to see how I was settling into Bahrain and also to get a sneak peek at where I live. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed taking a look around the new apartment with me. If you did, then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to let me know. As always, I would love to hear from you guys in the comments section, and if you haven't already, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button to join our oddball family. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs and I love you. But until next time, I'm gonna go enjoy my new apartment right now, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.